Although we're not allowed bottled water on the island. Oh, excuse me. We thought we made it to the beach. It's not. This is where we arrived the other day. We're back at the dock. We've literally walked to the dock. Sand in my flip-flop. You guys don't know about my cursed flip-flop. I keep mentioning my cursed flip-flops.
Oh yeah, I was going to write a short story about it.
Okay. Every time I wear my flip, okay, there's a couple of stories behind it. First of all, I haggled them down to like £1 because I'm a cheapskate. And since then I've been falling over with them, I've cut my feet with them. And then the other day on the boat,
Nearly slipped off a pier.
Nearly slipped off a pier with them. And then the story with the woman and the chicken. There was an old lady sat upstairs and was just glaring at us, wasn't she?
I thought I was going to die.
So we reckon that she cursed my flip-flops even more. Hello, there's a butterfly.
Hello, little butterfly.
Just randomly say hello to a butterfly. So yeah, so my flip-flops are cursed. That's where we arrived.
Bon voyage.
Yesterday. I'm blaming Sherry.
Well, we are at Mayhead Pier. I
We
told
are.
you where I said I was going to get you.
Here, I said beach.
Yeah, she said beach. Look, I can show. Look, there's our catamaran.
All right, all right.
I'm pretty thirsty. I could do with another coffee.
Yeah, we should probably stop.
Oh, it all smells so nice down here, though.
So then we want like an excuse. Oh my god, they have things to say what's going on.
So we found the coconut monkey, which is what Shay was looking for.
Let's see some more coconuts.
Yep. Now she doesn't want coconut.
No, it was, I didn't want to come here. It was like a landmark.
Oh,
So I knew where we were.
it was a landmark. Look at that landmark.
What's land? Yeah, thank you.
I love how difficult Shelly has to be.
See.
Okay, guys. We got back from the beach, and then I sort of chilled out in the room. So there wasn't really much to do at the beach. Only had a little paddle in the sea. But tonight, it's the bar crawl. The pub crawl! I won't be vlogging anymore because it's going to get really, really loud. Very messy.
Exactly where we want to go.
I'm not going to drink a lot. Or maybe a bit.
This guy's gonna get.
Oh, you said MINE.
Give me 10! Give me 10! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 91!
I'm not going to vlog anymore. I'll just take my videos. Good morning, guys. I have had the worst luck in the last couple of days.
Whatever that was.
Good morning, good morning. I was telling you earlier on, I've had like the worst luck. So my microphone stopped working, smashed the back of my phone, and I've lost my GoPro.
What, Papa Joe?
It's my cursed flip-flops.
Papa Joe.
Blaming the cursed flip-flops.
Papa Joe.
But today we're going snorkeling.
Challenge.
Hi guys, we're on the boat and Sherry's going to help me vlog because there's quite a lot of people. So we're going scuba diving. I think the first stop is it the... What did I say? Again. My fault.
The cast of the flip-flop.
Over there is where I lost my GoPro.
Sad times.
So yeah, on the first island, can't remember what it's called, but our team, our group, are going up to the viewpoint, which is, we're going up there to get some awesome shots and some pictures. The viewpoint doesn't look that high. It looks alright. Okay, it's pretty busy up here. We've got to climb on rocks to get to the viewpoint. Then it's back up. I shall be there shortly. Very warm, very hot. Wasn't too bad actually, it was like 70 climb with that. Very easy climb. We made it to the top. Yes. Okay, look at this view guys. This view is amazing.
Right.
Okay, I'm on the way down. The cursed flip-flop strikes again. It broke on the way down. I managed to fix it. No, it wasn't too bad getting up. Not too bad. This rocky bit was a bit of an issue, obviously. I'm not the healthiest or the youngest. It's not too far.
How long does it take from here?
5 minutes, is that?
5.
Maybe less. Okay. Hey, hello. Oh, there's my group. Okay, caught up. Oh well, I'm stuck. It's cool. Although, we're not allowed bottled water on the island. Oh, excuse me. Okay, yep, I fell. My flip-flops are done. Okay, that's the second time I've fallen on camera. And it was on camera. 2 broken flip-flops. The cursed flip-flop strikes again, what did I say? Thing is, people are watching as well. I think that's more embarrassing. I'm not going to hospital. You'll just rip my nail off. Oh, plaster for everyone. Okay, so I've torn off my whole nail off my foot. These fucking flip-flops, I'm going to swear because it hurts, but the curse, everywhere, I've fallen over so many times with these. Still snorkel though.
Yeah?
Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because it's sea salt.
It's got a sting, but I'll see how I feel. I feel really sick because I'm not big with blood. Not anymore. Hi guys. So I'm ending the vlog. We're on the way back. Amazing snorkeling trip day today. My toe's still baby sore. Do you want to see? I'll show you my toe.
Cameras are not bothered about your toe.
They are. Full HD. So I'm ending the vlog for today. And then tomorrow we're going to Koh Tao.
Over and out.
Over and out. See you there guys.